The 2027 election is less than a year away. But one of the clearest lessons from Kenya's electoral history is that peace cannot be prepared for on the eve of an election. By the time violence has erupted, we are already too late. By the time communities have retreated into hostile political or ethnic camps, we are too late. By the time dangerous rhetoric has been repeated so frequently that citizens begin to accept it as ordinary political language, we are late. By the time we have young people being mobilized and organized for violence, we are too late. And so, this roadmap is about beginning early. It is about prevention rather than panic.
We reaffirm commitment to working closely with the government and all stakeholders to promote peace, cohesion, and harmony across the country. We remain equally committed to supporting credible, peaceful, and inclusive electoral process, strengthening dialogue and ensuring that differences are resolved peacefully in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya. And therefore, I welcome you all to this very important occasion of launching a roadmap to uchaguzi bila noma.